One of the latest trends that we have on bathroom remodels is going from a jacuzzi tub to a freestanding tub. In this case, we had a big old jacuzzi here that occupied all this space, which really limited this shower for the size to expand it a little bit. So what we did, we put we're fixing to put a freestanding tub in there. We also put this pretty handy pocket door we're still working on to go ahead and save some space. This used to have a door that went all the way out here, which was like awful. We had a closet in here with a door. If you open a door, you'd be hitting doors. Then the door of the shower in here. The layout of this bathroom was not functional. So what we did, we added this pocket door. Now we're gonna have a freestanding tub, which is gonna look way bigger than the way it used to. This used to be like at an angle. I mean, pretty funny looking. We put this for like a linen cabinet type of thing. And then this whole thing is just gonna add a big, massive, bigger shower and nicer tub. So when we're done, which probably in about another week or so, this shower enclosure will be frameless. And it's already been ordered. So in the next few days, we're gonna be posting the before and afters of this. And this is a pretty major change that we're gonna have in this bathroom. It's gonna be a lot more functional. We have the diverter, shower head, handheld. And this is it's gonna be really nice. So if you're looking to have an update on your bathroom or kitchen, give us a call. We'll be more than happy to stop by, brainstorm with you, and see what would fit your budget and the functionality on your house. Nielsen with Nielsen's Painting and Remodeling, with quality is not cheap nor expensive, it is priceless.